alright in hindsight.
Okay, so that's day 2 over. I decided to clump together Thursday and Friday into one sort of entry because I've only done the big blind sort of thing. And yeah, in terms of that, multi-blind didn't go so great. I got 8 out of 10, then a 9 out of 10, which gets me 8 points overall, but I needed 10 points in order to qualify for the 3rd attempt, and so I won't be able to do that tomorrow. But 4 blind went pretty amazingly, considering that 7:15 is an overall PB by 30 seconds, which I'm obviously ecstatic about. That was really exciting. Tomorrow I've got 2x2, 3x3 Pyraminx and 3 blinds, so yeah, I'm excited for that. Let's see how it goes. Yes. Yes. Okay guys, that was day 3 and it has gone absolutely amazingly. I got a sub 3 in 2x2, which I'm really stoked about. Managed to finally get that 12-second time in 3x3 as well. And then of course the highlight of my day, maybe even the whole competition, I got a sub 1 in 3 blind. I've never done that before, and I did it in competition, which is amazing. It was a 57. I'll probably upload a separate video of it tonight, so I'll leave the link to that in the description. But yeah, it's kind of late right now. It's like almost midnight, and I hope I can find somewhere to eat. But the Nations Cup was just on, and it was really exciting. Honestly, I think it might even be better than 3x3 finals tomorrow. So if you get the chance to watch that on like a YouTube channel, then definitely go do that, because it was really, really exciting. Tomorrow I actually made it into round 2 of 3 blinds, so I'll be competing in that, but that's about it. But I get to watch all the finals, and then I get to go home, so yeah.
Take it easy.
Okay, so that was the final day of the competition. I didn't really compete in much, but I did do a second round of 3 blind, which didn't go so well. But then again, it was never going to go as good as yesterday anyway. And so all the finals were on today, which we watched, and that was really exciting. I didn't film any, but you can see them on other people's channels and stuff, so definitely go check that out. And I'll do a summer video when I get home. Okay guys, so I'm back home now, and I have to say the World Championships is definitely my favourite competition I've ever been to. Just all the fast people there solving really quickly like nothing I've ever seen before, and it was a really great atmosphere there. In terms of all the events, I made most of my goals apart from multi and I guess Pyraminx, but you know, there's nothing I can do about that now. And for the most part, I'm really happy with the results that I got. I'm now top 10 in 4 UK blind rankings. That's for 3 blind mean of 3, 4 blind and multi-blind, which is really cool. And the other thing to mention is we got this GAN Rubik speed cube sort of thing. And I have to say, I really like it. I think it's really good. And as you can see, it has got this 2017 World Championship Paris logo on it, which is really cool. So I believe these are probably limited edition. So yeah, that's going to be the end of the vlog here. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed the competition itself. And I'm really looking forward to the next one. So I'll see you all next time.